These are the top 5 best features in Samsung flagship phones that iPhone flagship phones cannot do it. That's iPhone 17 Pro Max and below, running on iOS 26.01. The first feature I want us to start with is reverse charging. On your Samsung smartphone, you can use it to charge an iPhone by enabling the wireless power sharing, then place it at the back of your smartphone. It's not only iPhone, any phone that supports wireless charging, even AirPods that support wireless charging, you can use a Samsung smartphone to charge it. This is a better feature in Samsung flagship phones. So you can see that the phone is charging the iPhone. There's another better feature in Samsung smartphone, and if you are using this kind of feature, you will love it. Some people think screen mirroring is the same as Samsung does. Here is the difference. Screen mirroring only shows a scale-up version of your mobile display on your computer or your TV, while your Samsung desk transforms your device into a PC mode. So watch this video carefully so that you understand what I'm talking about. Let's proceed by heading on to settings. Then I'll go to connected device. I'll scroll down and enable Samsung desk. I'll select start desk, then select start now. Please watch it carefully so you can see. Check the TV. You can see that it has covered the entire screen of the TV. Let's wait small to activate the Samsung desk. Guys, it's not easy. This feature is really amazing. So you can see that all my files has cast to the TV. And now my smartphone will divide into 4 sections. So just watch the video carefully. You can see. And look closer to the TV. You can see a mouse cursor. So what is happening now is the TV is serving as a monitor and my smartphone is functioning now as a keyboard and mouse. So you can see that I'm using the cursor to launch an application. This feature is amazing. Please watch this video carefully and you understand that this is far different from screen mirroring. So this is what we call screen mirroring. So you can see what I'm seeing in my iPhone. I'm also seeing it in my TV. So you can see that Samsung desk is far different from screen mirroring. So this feature, no one should compare this feature to Samsung desk that they are the same. They are not the same. There is a common feature to different smartphones, not only iPhone. There's another feature that Samsung can do, iPhone cannot do. In Samsung phone or other smartphones, you can copy multiple text, different numbers and pictures and place all of them in another app at the same time. So I've copied 2 pictures and now I'm writing any text. Let's take how are you for example and then copy it. I'll delete it and type any number, any random number and copy it. See this feature, iPhone running on iOS 26.01 cannot do it just because they don't have keyboard. So this is another feature that Samsung can do, iPhone cannot do. And now I'm about to paste all of them at the same time. So I've pasted one picture, I've pasted the second picture, I've pasted the number and the text too. So let's try the same thing in iPhone keyboard. I'm typing any random text. How are you? So I'll copy how are you, I'll delete it and copy another text. Let's say I'm fine. So let's use I'm fine. Then I'll delete it and try to paste both of them. You see that only I'm fine came, but the first one has vanished. So if you copy the first text in an iPhone and try to add another text and copy, the initial one will vanish and then the recent one will keep on. So I've copied good and I'll try to paste I'm fine. It didn't come, only good came. This feature, Generative Edit, is an AI-powered tool for generating new realistic pixels or scene to rebuild an empty space from object or human in a photo. This is far different from object eraser. So at the end of this video, you're able to know the difference between generative edit and object eraser. You see that the phone is covering part of my face. Let's see what this generative edit will do. So you can see that the AI is telling us that it is adding or sculpting new scenery. and it has done it perfectly. It has created a new process to match with my original face and then has created a new arm. So let's use the iPhone 17 Pro Max and try the object eraser. So what is in the iPhone is object eraser. It is not generative AI. It is object eraser. It will remove the smartphone perfectly, but it will not able to generate a new process to match with the face. This video will tell you the difference. Yeah, this is a camera feature. Samsung introduced a periscope lens from the S20 Ultra series. The iPhone users were saying zoom is not important, but now they have moved from 25 zoom to 40 times zoom. So if it is not important, why are they increasing their zooming range? Some people think zoom is not important, but it helps us to see things far from us.